We'll guide you through how to optimize your usage of Claude. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude platform's main dashboard. Once you're there, you need to make sure your account settings are optimized for your needs. Click on your profile icon in the lower left corner and select Account. Here, you can adjust your notification preferences to ensure you're only receiving essential updates, helping you avoid unnecessary distractions. Next, navigate to the Integrations tab. This is where you can connect Claude with other tools and platforms you regularly use. By integrating Claude with your existing workflow tools, you streamline processes and save precious time. Make sure to enable any productivity features that align with your tasks. Now, go back to the main dashboard and check out the Templates section. Claude offers a variety of pre-made templates to help you get started quickly on common tasks. Customize these templates to better fit your specific needs, which will make future projects faster to kick off. Another important step is to explore the Help section. This is where you can find guides and tutorials on advanced features that might enhance your Claude experience. Lastly, take advantage of the analytics and reporting features. By analyzing your past interactions with Claude, you can identify patterns and areas for improvement. This data helps you make informed decisions about how to optimize your usage further. Remember, the key to mastering Claude is to continually refine and adjust your settings and integrations as your needs evolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.